That's a good.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not too high either, but.
Hey guys, so I'm just picking up my video in the middle of Metal Pete's video. He wanted to test this universal before we took it down, and he already went through the internal speeds on forward, and discovered that it has. I would put that in the K55 category.
Oh,
wouldn't
yeah.
you? It's very impressive given the. For a stamped spinner top mount. I don't know that I have a top mount that's not metal bladed that moves that much air other than this one, but I could be wrong.
I wonder. Let's see what it does in reverse.
I don't actually remember how it's different in reverse, so that'll be an interesting...
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh wow, current is definitely more in reverse. 0.88.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's drawing more current in reverse.
As Metal Pete would say, that's a bit of a pig.
It is. I actually heard you say that in a video. You were in your parents' basement testing an M48.
Oh, I don't remember those being that much of a hog, but I guess they are, huh?
Yeah, an SMC M48. That one is. Okay. And it drops down to 0.8.
So I said in my video that if I was going to hang this somewhere,
Yeah.
that if I didn't use the original control, then I would probably rewire it and put some capacitors under the lower canopy, because those internal speeds are just horrible in terms of usefulness versus current draw.
Yeah.
But on high, it's an amazing performer.
Yep. 0.87, so it's like back up to the exact current draw is low.
Yep.
Weird.
Yeah, they used some weird combination of coil taps to get those speeds, and it's not it's not ideal in my opinion.
No.
But they didn't ask me, Metal Pete.
Of course not.
You know, I wish they would have gone back in time to the early 80s, quite possibly before I was born.
Mm-hmm.
To
let's see where this thing starts. 1, 2. I thought I saw it move. 3. No. 4.
Oh, I forgot to bet you. I'm sorry. I didn't even remember where it started. It's interesting. After running all week, I'm surprised it didn't start earlier, because the bearings were rough when I got it, as you can imagine.
Okay.
And I put some oil and WD-40 in it and cleaned them up, and I thought that it would be much better.
Okay, and here's 5. And even then, on 5, it's a little bit slightly on the slow side for a low speed, but let's see what 6 does. 6. Okay. Right here is more like a low speed. 6, 7, 8.
I remember when I tested it, I thought that it might do well with 5/8/13, but
yeah, ideally. Here's 8, so this is a perfect medium low. I could definitely see this being a nice medium low. 8, 9, 10, 13, and 14. Well, actually, in my opinion, I would have actually used I have a 6/8 14, which I would get.
Oh yeah, that would work too. Actually, no, I do have a 6/8 14, or I did at least. I'm sure I have them somewhere.
Yeah, and
again, now that I've gone to all smart controls, I'm making my own control values anyhow, so it doesn't matter as much.
Sure. Well, yeah, I tend to still wire in typical wall controls.
Yeah.
Still nice to know where they hit a resonant frequency if they do. Here's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Alright. Still under, so definitely wall control's gonna get a resonant frequency at least. As far as I know. Alright. 21. 25. See, that's the current draw. 30. Pretty close to high. 31. 32. 33. 34. Leveling off at this point. And I just maxed it out. Put 7.2 with the high switch on, turn it off, and it drops a little bit. So no resonant frequency on this one, at least. Give the solid state a try.
I seem to recall it being living room quiet, but let's find out.
Yeah, I hear what you mean.
Yeah, it wasn't horrible, but it wasn't...
Not quite silent.
No.
Okay. Well.
You do 0 to high?
No. No, I haven't done that.
Oh, whoops. Forgot
Alright. I'm going to do... .74 was all it inrushed up to.
So a little bit of an inrush, but not,
Not enough. Not a big one.
Yeah. Seems that fans with big inrushes seem uncommon these days.
Yeah. Okay, well that's all I have for this universal top mount. So
we got a lot of new stuff to test tonight. It'll be very interesting, I promise. We'll have a fun set of videos for you guys. Too bad Reese couldn't make it this week, but he said maybe next week. And
yeah, I didn't really arrange. I just didn't get the chance to arrange everything.
I asked him if he was busy today, and he said yes. So
he was.
Yes. So
I just never really messaged. I just didn't get the chance to either. So
yeah,
for me to even ask.
Yeah. Okay. So
Alright.
we'll keep watching. See you guys throughout the night.
Okay.